Okay, now it's 4:22 a.m. It's still dark outside. Everybody, this is Christian. He's sleeping. He's snoring. Big ear. Chill out, man. Franklin, stop. Franklin, look. Hey, baby. I'm over here at my cousin's house. You know, he's been all crazy and stuff. You like my new shades? You looking like a cop. Freeze, nigga. Stop, Franklin. Chill out. You want to say something to the camera before I post it on Facebook or YouTube?
Hi.
Anyone else?
Hi, Jonathan.
Chill out. It's like you scared. Quit being scared. Let me see your eye. Let me see your nose. Let me see. Chill. What are you on? No, nothing.
Can you take a video?
Look at these donuts we have. It's just one. Oh, crap. Look at this shot. Look at this G-Shock.
My jumps.
Oh. This is Franklin's baby. This is his second baby, probably. Is this your first baby? It's your first baby? Oh, this is his second baby. Who's your first baby?
Secret.
No. Well, what were you gonna say? Does it start with an S?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Why you trying to hold my hand? Ew, man, you gay. Such a homo. Quit. Franklin. It's like 4:22. Okay, fine. Good night.
Take a video of Christian snoring.
It's not Christian. Hope he snores. God, Chris, what did you have?